Hi everyone. I hope I'm visible to all of you. And then, though the room is quite dark, but I'm sure you will be able to see whatever I'm going to say. So here today we will be beginning up with this 5.3. It's under unit number 5, and the lesson is 5.3. We have cash flow projections, and we will be discussing very few things here, just the importance and uses, but I'll also give you the format of cash flow statements. Well, here we go. Yeah, this is what a cash flow statement is. A cash flow statement is the inflow and outflow of cash and cash equivalents in an organization, in a concern, so and so. Now, the point of concern here is this has got some importance and some uses also. So we are going to discuss that, and that may help us to even to prepare this cash flow statements. So cash flow statements you will be preparing in class 12, part B of your accountancy. Well, some of you might have already started, some yet to be. I'm not very sure about that, but you will definitely find it. But here, theoretically, we are going to discuss not the practical aspect of cash flow statements, but the theoretical aspect of cash statements we will be discussing here. And let's see what are things we are going to discuss. Yeah, well, this is the first one. Here we have, yeah, all right, this is the first importance and uses of cash flow projections. And let's see what's the definition stands about cash flow statement. Cash flow statement depicts the cash generated and utilized by a company. The cash generated and utilized by a company. It is depicted from a balance sheet or a cash flow statement. So, well, let me make it a bit bigger. Yeah. No. It is depicted from a balance sheet and a profit and loss account. So usually you prepare trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So 2 years balance sheet will be given to you, and from there you will be preparing these cash flow statements. So as I said, those of you who have accountancy, who are taking, obviously all are taking accountancy, so you will be definitely getting this, or some of you might have already done. So this is what is importance of cash flow statements. Now we have the cash flow refers to inflow and outflow of cash and cash equivalents, which means cash. You know what is cash? Hard cash, and cash equivalents will be some things like cash at bank, and then some other say paper cash and all these things, check. All this will be cash equivalents. Now, demand deposit are also a type of cash. So cash equivalents refer to short-term highly liquid invest. Cash equivalents refers short-term highly liquid investment which are readily convertible to cash. Suppose you have a check, it is also a kind of cash. You can easily convert it into cash. So that is called cash equivalents. Now here, some of the features of cash flow statements here it is prepared for a given period of time. It is prepared for a given period of time. It is derived from balance sheet and income statement. It is vertically drawn. It is shown from operating, investing, and financing activities. It is signed by the person who prepared it. Like this, around 10 features we have. So I want all of you to go through this and use the PDF also for proper learning. This video is just an overview because in 10 minutes it's not possible to cover up everything, but just I'm giving an overview and I'm clearing your doubts also. Now we have seen there are 10 features, but in the exam as per the mark wise you may prepare it as per the marks that is given to you. If it is asked for 8 marks, 8 points will do. If it is asked for 3 marks, 3 points, like that, 5 marks. And if it is just for 1 mark, 1 point will do about the features of about features of cash flow statements. All right, so let's quickly go into the importance of cash flow statement. And for the importance of cash flow statement, we have the first one is useful for short-term financial planning. Now, a cash flow statement provides information for planning the short-term financial needs of a firm. Since it provides information regarding sources and utilization of cash during a period, it becomes easier for managers to assess whether it will have significant cash to meet day-to-day expenses and pay the creditors in time. So that is the reason why it is important for short-term financial planning. Well, right, one second. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. Now let's see what is the other importance of cash flow statements. Yeah, this I think it's visible. Yeah, very much. It's very much visible. Useful in preparing the cash budget. Now every organization, they prepare a budget before they start the business of the year. So this cash flow statement will help you in preparing the budget. Comparison with cash budget. Now a cash budget is prepared at the commencement of the year, whereas cash flow statement is prepared at the end of the year. So a comparison between the two, a cash budget and a cash flow statement, will give you a better result about the resources that has been utilized, and the differences caused by can be analyzed and proper measures may be taken. Study of the trend of cash receipts and cash payments. A cash flow statement reveals the speed at which the cash is being generated from debtors, stock, and other current assets, and the speed at which the current liabilities are being paid. It enables the management to access the true position of cash in the future. Now explains the deviation of cash from earnings. A firm may earn huge profit, yet it may have scarcity of cash, and when it suffers loss, it may have still plenty of cash. So this also will be explained by the cash flow statement. Helpful in ascertaining cash flow from various activities. Suppose we prepare cash flow statement from investing, financing, and operating activities. So it will show the cash inflows and outflows differently in all the three activities. That is one more importance. Helpful in making dividend decision. Now what is this dividend? Dividend is something that is paid to the shareholders after the company's annual general meeting, and then the profit, when we prepare the profit or profit and loss account, where a part of the profit that is being paid to the shareholders is known as dividend. Now the question here is that when we prepare a cash flow statement, it becomes easy for us to decide how much cash to be given to the shareholders, or how much can be given to the shareholders. Now here, the amount of dividend must be in separate dividend account within 5 days of the declaration of such dividend. Hence, management takes the help of each cash flow statement to ascertain the position of cash generated from operating activities, which can be used for payment of dividend. That's it. Now next comes test for the managerial decision. Management, they take a decision that is called managerial decision. So it is a general rule that fixed assets should be purchased from funds raised from long-term sources like issue of shares, debentures, loans, etc. And this should be repaid out of cash generated from the operating activities. So the cash flow statement shows whether this policy has been properly followed by management or not. Next, some useful to outsiders. Why cash flow statement is useful to outsiders? Because there are many stakeholders of your concern. So they will also require some information from the position of your business, some information about the position of your business. So for that reason, it's very necessary that they should also see what the cash what is the status of the cash of your concern is. The cash flow statement helps the investors, debenture holders, bankers, lenders, suppliers to analyze the financial position of the enterprise. Well, I think I was quite hurried to explain all these points because I wanted to finish it up within 10 minutes. But I'm sure if you go through the PDF, it will be very clear to all of you. But no worries, you have a comment section out there. You can drop as much as comment as you want. So that will be something really matter. And yeah, I will also show you the format. Yes, this is the format of the cash flow statement. But now you won't be understanding much if you are not done with the cash flow statements practically. When you prepare practically, this will be used, which is a part of accountancy part B of class 12 commerce. So I'm sure all these were very helpful to all of you. This is also part of the PDF. You can go through it, and besides your all self-learning will also give you enough ideas about the cash flow statements and projection, and your doubts and queries are always welcome. So no worries about any confusion. So to conclude what I've said, a cash flow statement. What is a cash flow statement? A statement that depicts the position of cash and cash equivalents. Then we've studied the features, then we'll also discuss the importance of cash flow statement. With this, I end up this video. I hope I have done enough justice to give you the proper explanation of cash flow statements. If it's not, then there are always time. We can make it up next time also. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.